People say that chemistry and attraction are essential in any relationship for success. And I say that is true enough, but chemistry and attraction between two people will only get you so far in a relationship. I see many foreign men take on a relationship with a very young and beautiful Filipina, and this could be a huge mistake long term, and this is why. If you're looking for long-term success in a relationship, then you'll need far more than the initial chemistry and attraction. And that is why many relationships will fall over after a year to a year and a half. And of course, many relationships will commence when two people are attracted to each other. So there must be some form of attraction, whether it's physical or intellectual. But just what that attraction is may be unique to each individual person. Simply put, what I find attractive in a person, another may not, and vice versa. But know that a physical attraction which brings many people together is not enough for a long-term successful relationship, because in time we all grow older and looks do fade. And if attraction is what has kept you together for 10 or 20 years, and that's all you guys had, then simply you'll drift apart and lose interest in one another. We see this often happen with couples who separate and divorce in their 40s and 50s, who base their relationship mostly upon attraction. So what about chemistry in a relationship? Well, simply, chemistry is a wonderful way to start a relationship, and it tends to take a bit of a backseat for couples who have relationships that last longer than a few weeks, months, or years. But make no mistake, you can develop chemistry over time. It's not going to always be immediate fireworks and rockets. So don't write someone off if there's no immediate chemistry between the two of you. Long-term relationships that are fulfilling, because a relationship that has lasted a long time doesn't necessarily mean it's fulfilling for one or both partners, and it will depend so much more upon emotional, intimacy and friendship. And I'll tell you here what qualities help sustain a great relationship that will last. Interestingly enough, chemistry isn't absolutely vital in being in a satisfying relationship. And why this is so is rather a mystery. What is more important for success in a relationship that you want to stand the test of time are mutually shared values, respect for each other, and a feeling aligned with your partner overall are more important than chemistry. In other words, are you compatible? But be aware that chemistry can also lessen over time. And there are a number of reasons for diminished or lost chemistry. For example, as we age, our body's hormonal levels naturally tend to diminish over time, which can also impact our libido. But don't be too concerned, as there are wonderful advances in healthcare that can often help this situation for women and for men. The bottom line is chemistry and attraction are great. And if you have them, it's wonderful. And don't worry if chemistry takes some time to develop. But if they are your main focus for what you think might make a good relationship, well, that's not so wonderful. So be sure that chemistry is a wonderful feeling to have, but simply, it's not enough for a successful, long-lasting and happy relationship. I know some people may feel the chemistry and attraction very powerfully when they first meet, and after 6 months or maybe 12 months, the chemistry and attraction are still there, and so the couple race off and get married because they have never felt anything so strong before. But in time, the relationship has a huge possibility of failing because they've failed to consider all the other components necessary to creating a true and fulfilling relationship. Rest assured that lustful relationships are built solely on chemistry and attraction, but a successful long-term relationship will be built, yes, on attraction and chemistry, but will also include things like mutual respect, honesty, integrity, caring, compassion, and understanding, to name a few. If you have all of these things, then you know you have a very good chance at a successful long-term relationship with your Filipina. Let me know in the comments below what are the main elements in your relationship, or if you're looking to date a Filipina, what are the elements important to you that your future girlfriend or wife should have. Thanks for watching, stay safe and take care.